Willoway docks. You can see here the guys are busy. The docks are jumping. People are getting loaded up for that busy Mother's Day weekend. Let's take a walk through the dock. And look at the beautiful dock here. We got a load of plants here going out. Let's take a walk through this dock. We're looking at our Asclepsia tuberosa. This is a very popular one for natives and butterflies. These are looking beautiful. The buds and blooms on these. This is Let's Dance Skyview. And you can just see the carts rolling here. There's a lot of great looking plants shipping today. Fantastic crop. This is a still be Vision in purple. Color starting to come out on these. This is Salix Nishiki 3-gallon. These on the dock here. This is Aronia Low-Scape Mound. You know, and it's just finishing flower, but this one continues to give. So we have flower, it has fruit, and amazing fall color. Just cartloads of these gorgeous roses and hydrangeas shipping out this week. Getting ready for, again, that busy Mother's Day weekend. Beautiful container trees shipping out. You know, a lot of folks are getting those landscape projects done. We got some great container trees. Greenhouse is shipping in just loads of these gorgeous annuals. Again, this is the time to plant annuals, and they've got some fantastic crops coming in. Look at the color of these impatiens. These are sun patience here, looking fantastic. And gorgeous annuals here. We're looking at some 10-inch pot geraniums. Big, beautiful plants. Value on these 7-gallon emerald green arborvitaes. Coming down here, we're looking at some 7-gallon. These are Alberta spruce here. Look at the nice new growth. Just coming in here, we're seeing flats coming in with impatiens, petunias. Just a gorgeous assortment here. The baskets I can't show you because they're getting ready to load them on the truck. Lush growth on these 3-gallon Alberta spruce. Great value. We have some 3-gallon Japanese maples. These are Acropurpurea. Many varieties going out right now on Japanese maples. 3s all the way up to 20-gallon. We have some 3-gallon winter gems. Gorgeous 3-gallon green velvets. Wow, check out these. We have some 3-gallon nut spruce. That new growth is looking good. We have 3-gallon new gems shipping out on the dock. So it's coming in like crazy. Here we're looking at some more of those 3-gallon boxwoods coming in. A lot of nice plants. Looking at 1-gallon and 3-gallon Carl Forster. Beautiful 2-gallon Gracillus grass. Popular one. This is the worry-free grass. This is cayenne. Some 2-gallon Hamlins, and here we have some 2-gallon and 3-gallon Gracillus variegated. And on the start here we have some 3-gallon limelights. The Hemercalisera Purple D'Oro. We have Barberry here. This one is Tangelo and Crimson Cutie. It's gorgeous Flagella. This is Wine and Roses here. Guys put a little heat to them here. Look at these beautiful plants. The Veronica Royal Candles. You can see the little buds there on the tips. Then we have Coreopsis. These are Creme Caramel. The perennials are looking fantastic. Up front here we're looking at the Atlas Cobalt, and then that's Aurelia Sun King. Lumbago, it's coming up, it's looking great. Beautiful native plant here. This is Anemone canadensis. Look at all those buds and blooms. Peak kind of in the dock here. Peek at the new gen Freedoms. Again, very nice full crop. Nice consistent pull here. We're looking at 3-gallon Cranberry Creek. Now look at some tropicals. Here we got our Amanda Villa. In the background I'm looking at the Cetes. Again, a lot of nice tropicals going on here. Alocasia, Colocasia. Looking amazing. And you don't want to miss out on. Here we have our Digitalis crop. We have 3 colors here. We have lavender, white, and pink. They're looking sensational. Several varieties of Bugler shipping out here. Look at that color, guys. Nice, big, heavy, full plants. Here's another hot one to ship in the spring. Look at these beautiful Bernera. We have some great looking sedum. This is Autumn Joy. We have Asclepsia incarnata. Here we're looking at more Monarda. This is great gumball. These are prime right now. You know, Deutzia, this is the time of the year you want to get them. I mean, they're great for the landscape all season long, but to enjoy their flowers, this is Yuki Cherry Blossom. Look at the buds on these guys. Here, our leucanthemum crops are coming on nicely. We have Banana Cream 2, and this one is Becky. Nice, full, heavy plant. Monarda here we're looking at, and wow, check out the dianthus. Yeah, we have lots of these gorgeous clematis coming in. We put heat to them here. We got bud and bloom. Don't forget those clematis, man. They're looking sensational. Another cross section of the sedums, again coming in, can full, looking good. Bud and bloom on the Baptisia. Another quick peek at those clematis going out. These are the Raymond Evanson series. Again, off the trellis, loaded with buds. Those are out, they're flushed. They have green bud to show in color here. Gorgeous drip and knockout roses. Another one that we got a lot of going out. All our macrophyllus are looking sensational. Leaf and these gorgeous green buds. Perfect timing for a busy weekend. Annuals, tropicals are shipping out here. We're looking at some gorgeous alocasia, calocasia, and these beautiful different colors and varieties of heuchera. So if you got heuchera on order, now's the time to get them. They're looking good. Some Pravaskia, this one is denim and lace. Alliums are looking sensational. All the Asiatic lilies, budded up and looking good. Gorgeous, colorful grasses here. We're looking at Heckenalo, all gold, and Aureola. Gorgeous, awesome. Look at this gorgeous, awesome. Varieties of the perennial hibiscus are up and looking good. Here you can see those Gaillardia spin tops are still loaded with buds. Going to have a lot of lasting color all season long. Really hard to beat these Astilbes. You know, we have several varieties of Astilbes, can full, big, beautiful plants. Varieties of ferns coming in here. We're looking at Dre's Dagger right now, and then coming down these beautiful Japanese painted ferns. Quick walk through the dock here. You can see gorgeous plants shipping out. Everyone's getting ready for a busy Mother's Day shipping. The guys here getting ready to load another shipment with these gorgeous annuals. Again, don't delay. If you got them on order, this is the time to get them, so they're there in time for a busy weekend. So I wanted you to check these out. This is Let's Dance Can Do. We have several varieties of macrophylla hydrangea shipping out today. These are prime, so be sure to get your orders in because you know the docks are filling up quickly. Don't miss an opportunity to sell these beautiful plants for Mother's Day. To show you these Deutzia Chardonnay pearls, and Deutzia right now, this is a prime time to get them. They're budded, they're starting to open up, you know, and this one gives a lot throughout the season. It's at the chartreuse foliage, and then you can see the stunning pure white flower. So be sure to get your Deutzia on this week's trucks. By this crop, I wanted to show you, these are Guillaume Tempo Orange. You can see the gorgeous handful of plants here. We're going to start to see some color here real soon. This is the time you want to get them. So here we're looking at Penstemon Black Truffle, and these are in the American Beauties program. Got nice full container plants. We're going to start to see some color here real soon, so perfect time to stock your benches. Here, loads of gorgeous plants from perennials, tropicals, shrubs, trees. Be sure to get with our sales team. Geez, I hope we're loading the truck for you.